IGR South ki mediang makhada kuntra humdoi suba some rifles na senduna Imphal West ki lamboi khongnang khongda laiba Manipur Trade and Expo Center ki relief camp health camp pangthok pagaloina na relief material kaya su yenthokre. Kumjali singani kunga humdoi gi me ahumdagi Churchanpur dagi haurakhiba Manipur gi irang asina maram oiduna mioi lishing kaya lanjena badagi tongan relief camp singda laina khibane. Relief camp da laidiba IDP sing asina thengnaduna lakhiba award pa amadi khudongchadaba sing kharada oirabasu kokhanba ngamnabagi pandamda chana thaknaba yauna angang singi mahi tambada changba potlam amadi atai relief material kaya yanthokibane. Loinana kalen tha yausilakpa asiga iroinana IDP singbu ana ayek yauhandana masama ufana laihanabagi pandamda tongan ba department gi doctor kayana saruk yaduna health camp su pangthokibane. Thauramaduda saruk yaba lakhiba Akhil Bhartiya Purva Sainik Sheba Parishad Punjab ke President su oiriba retired Major General JS Nandana Manipur da unkhatnari bakanglup anigi marakta wari shanaduna amaga changnaba ngamba matamda stat asida normalcy lakani haibagi thajaba fongdorakhi loinana IDP singdagi fangba potlamsu paudamsu higher authority da khanghangani haina fongdorakhi Thauramaduda Brigadier Ananya Boral 33 Assam Rifles ke Commandant Colonel Radhakrishna Amadi Mari Lainabo official kayana sarugyaki.
So I'm happy for the authorities to have given us an opportunity to come and interact with the people here. And I'm confident. See, things are improving. Things have begun. You know, there was a trend which was not very good. That trend appears to be now changing. We expect some positive results to start coming in. And the ultimate solution will lie with both the communities living together. They've always lived like this together, all these decades, all these years. And some vested interest may have played a role with the kind of animosity which has come in between both the communities. And God willing, this animosity will gradually go away. It will take time.